Good morning, friends. I am Ganesh from NST Chennai. Last class, we have seen plane scale and diagonal scale. Today, we are going to see Vernier scale. Vernier scale is used to measure very small amount of units with great accuracy. It is modified form of diagonal scale. Like your Vernier caliper, here also you will find two divisions of measurement you will see. One is primary scale or main scale. The divisions are called MSD, main scale division, and which is subdivided to find into decimal part, that known as a Vernier scale or secondary scale. Here VSD. I told you in the diagonal scale it is following the principles of similar triangles. Here it is following the Vernier scale. So how the Vernier scale is being made? Based on that, it is classified into two type of readings. That is, if you are taking main scale instead of 10 unit, if you are taking one more unit, and then if you are preparing your vernier scale, then that scale is known as retrograde or backward reading. When your main scale division is 10 units, and from that you take 9 parts, one part less than your main scale division, that if you are dividing into 10 equal parts, then if you are construct a vernier part, then that reading is known as a forward reading or direct reading. Is that clear? We will take up one practical questions which is coming last year or previous year examination point of view, and we will explain how to draw that question. Okay. Construct a vernier scale of RF equal to 1 is to 25 to read centimeters, decimeters and meters. Long enough to measure up to 4 meters. Mark the length of 2.39 meter and 0.91 meter on the scale. This is the question have been asked 2 years before. Okay. So here you have to take the given data. This is your drawing sheet, and given data is RF equal to 1 is to 25, that is nothing but 1 by 25, and they have given long enough to measure, or that is the maximum length to measure is 4 meter. So first stage is what? You have to show your calculation of the minimum length of the scale using the formula RF multiplied by maximum length to show. So RF is nothing but 1 by 25 multiplied by long enough to measure is 4 meter. Since it is a meter, we need centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 by 25 multiplied by 4 meter multiplied by 100 centimeter. So this 25 and 400 is cancelling, you will get 4 here. So 4 multiplied by 4, you will get 16 centimeter. This is the drawing you have to draw, and the side you have to make all the calculations here. And I told you in the initial forward reading, retrograde reading. Okay. So here this is the main scale divisions, from 0 to 10, that is being taken extra 1, then it is divided. So 10 part 1 plus means 11. 11 if you divide by 10, you will get 0.11. Is that clear? So we will draw the Vernier scale. This is your drawing sheet. We calculated that 16 centimeter is our minimum length of the scale. First, in our drawing sheet, we will draw 16 centimeter length of a line. Okay, we have drawn one line. So, from here, what you have to do, I told already, you draw, complete this as a, it should look like a scale. The second point, here, this length should be divided into long enough to measure. So we have here long enough to measure is up to 4 meter. So this 16 centimeter should be divided into 4 equal parts. So here 16 centimeter is given. So divided by 4, you can straight away mark 4 centimeter, you can take in your bow compass, then mark it here. Otherwise, as usual, with the unknown length, suppose if this is not known, so what you have to do? So unknown length, you take one any length of arc from this point, you cut an arc here, and then same radii, you put your leg of the bow compass, then cut other arcs, similarly 4 arcs. Then you can put 1 2 3 4 here, mark it here. The last arc, that is the intersection point of this and this point, you draw a line here. Okay, so keeping your set square parallel to this, moving, and you draw parallel lines, or using your mini drafter, you draw the parallel lines. Now you divided this 4 centimeter 4, that is the entire length will be divided into 4 segments. Now you project this length. This is over. So now you put a main scale. So you put a 0 here, 1 2 3. Another one is here. So you can measure up to 4 meters is over. So here, this again I need to divide into 10 equal parts. So what I have to do? So I will draw one line here, so that from this point I have drawn to my convenient. Either you can do this way or this way. If you are making here another one vernier scale, you have to draw, so that will give confusion. So you can make it from here or from here also. So then what I have to do? You take any radius in your bow compass, you cut one arc. Similarly, you can make 10 arcs here. Okay. So I have taken this much length. You understand here? From here to I cut here. So this length parallelly, put a leg here and cut. Put a leg here and cut. So similarly, you can put, so 10 arcs you have to break. So the 10th point, this is the intersection point, you join here. Okay, so you are making all the parallel lines, so that from this to this I made 10 equal points. Now from here I have to project, and similarly this also, graduations also, like it should look like a scale. You can graduate, okay, on your convenient way. So I made like this. So from here to this also I made 1 1 1. There's no need, but it look like a scale. This is how you are representing. You will get a very good marks. Okay. So now all these things are in your main scale division only. You are not at all drawn in a vernier scale. So here I told you retrograde and for backward reading, or direct or forward reading. So this drawing I will make into a retrograde drawing. Retrograde means what? So here in the main scale I am taking 10 divisions, plus 1. So assume this is the n. I'm taking one division here, n plus 1. So from here to here is 10 divisions. I'm taking one more division. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, like that 10 divisions are there. I'm taking one more division, I'm marking. You understand? Same distance from here to here, how much? Same distance is here. I'm marking is 11. So now what I'm going to do, so this I will copy on top of this. Okay. So I have made this length here. So what I did now, in the main scale division, 10 plus 1, that is 11 units I have taken. This I want to divide into 10 equal parts. From here, similarly, as usual, how to draw the drawings I will make here. You put a one line here. Okay. Then same way, whatever length you can take it from in your campus. Similarly, you can put 10 arcs here. So the last arc is marked here, and then you draw here, and then project by all the parallel lines, and then project it here. So the only thing is, now here you have to understand, this is your main scale division, n unit plus 1. Okay, this is n unit 10, whereas I have taken the same 10 parts here, also 10 parts only, but the length is, I am taking main scale division n plus 1. I am taking like that. You understand? That is from here to here 10. I am taking one more unit, so that 11 unit. This 11 units I am dividing into now 10 only. So my division, that is my unit, is now this is 0.1. Okay, now here this is 0.11. Say assume that this length is 10 100 meter 100 millimeter. So one unit means what? Another 10 millimeter. So 110 millimeter. This 110 I am dividing into 10 means each division will be 11. So here I have to mark 11.11. If this is 0.1 means this is 0.11. Right? Another second division is 0.11 plus 0.11, 0.22, 0.33, 0.44, 0.55, 0.66, 0.77, 0.88. Here 0.99, and this is 10. Clear? Now you have to write the potential. Here this is 10. Here 11. That is the difference. Okay. And you have to mark 2.39. So what you have to do is, where this 0.09 is occurring, or you have to see here 0.99. This is nothing but 0.99. So you have to do 2.39 minus 0.99. This is 0.99 meters here, this line, because this is 1. Okay, 10, 11, 0.22, 0.33, 0.44, like that. So here it is coming 0.99. This is not 100, this is 110. Right? Here 0.39, where this you have to see the second decimal place. So second decimal place is 9 here. So where it is occurring 9 here, 0.99. This is actually 90. So this is okay, 10, 20. That is similarly here. This is 100. You understand now? Don't make confusion here. This is one main which is be divided into 10 equal parts, so that you will get 1, 2, 3. That one you are taking extra one, so that 111 unit, then that divided into 10 units, you will get 0.11, 0.22, 0.33, 0.44, 0.55 like that. So in order to attain 2.39, there is no 39 is that. So but we are having 0.99. So what you have to do is 2.39. So in the Vernier scale I have taken 0.99. So 2.39 minus 0.99, how much is now? 1.40. You understand now this? So in the Vernier scale divisions I have taken 0.99. You have to show 2.39. So 2.39 minus 0.99, you will get 1.4. From this main scale, here it is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So here zero point 0.1 is the main scale. Here if you are dividing here, 0.11 is the Vernier scale division. So 0.99 plus 1.4, you will get 0.99 in the Vernier scale division, and 1.4 in the main scale will give you 2.39. So that you have to mark it like this. Another one scale we have done, another one is 0.91 is the you have to show. This is also in the question paper. So here to be shown is the 0.91, where you are giving the second decimal place as 1 in the first column itself. You are getting here 0.11, that is 0.11 in the Vernier scale division. So you have to minus that 0.91 you have to show. Vernier scale is the 0.11. So if you subtract this 0.91 to 0.91 minus 0.11, you will get in the 0.8. This 0.8 from your right hand side of the zeroth, that is your, from here you have to mark. This is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 is your 0.8 in the main scale division, and plus Vernier scale division is the when first division itself 0.11. So 0.11 plus 0.8, you will get 0.91. So second, if you have to mark is here 0.11 here, 0.8 is here, you will get 0.9. Is that clear? This is now you see here. I have shown here retrograde and forward reading. Both I have shown here. I have explained here in the retrograde method. Similar way, you have to identify here forward reading. So what is here? So I told you in the retrograde, you are taking 10 plus 1 part and then subdivided into 10 equal, means then you are getting 0.11, 0.22 like that you are getting in the Vernier scale division. Whereas in the direct reading, you have to get this. So here I am taking 9 divisions. This 9 division I am dividing into 10 equal parts, so that I will get 0.09, 0.18, 0.27, 0.36, 0.45. That is, this is the 90. Okay, assume this is the one division I am subtracting now, and then that I divided into 10 equal parts, so that each part will be, now this is I mean main scale is 90 divisions, that you divide by 10 means 0.9, that is 0.09, 0.19, 0.27, 0.36, 0.45, 0.54, 0.63, 0.7. So like this is there. So you are how to show this 2.39 now. So here calculation 2.39 means here in the last division you have to show 0.9. Where it is getting your 0.9? In the first itself. So in the retrograde you are you are selecting here 0.99 here, whereas here you are getting 0.09 itself. So So you subtract here 0.09, 2.39 minus 0.09, you will get 2.30. So in the main scale, this is 2, 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So I am taking 2.3 here and 0.09 is here, first division. So that total I am marking 2.39. How to find out this 0.91? So here I need 1. Where I am getting here? Only at the 0.81 I am getting here. So 0.91 minus Vernier scale division of 0.81, you will have to show in the main scale is zero point 0.1. So from here I am taking zero point 0.1 meter. Zero point 0.1 here, this is nothing but 0.81. 0.81 plus 0.10 will give you 0.91 meter. So the same way as it is asked in the retrograde or forward reading or direct reading, you can draw the drawings. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box, or my number is there and you can ask any of your doubts. Next class, we will see the scale of chord. Thank you.